Welcome to my comprehensive review of Bitrix24, one of the most versatile CRM platforms available today. Bitrix24 is not just a CRM. It offers a suite of tools that cater to project management, communication, team collaboration, and customer relationship tracking. In this video, I'll take you through my user experience, exploring its core features, usability, and overall value for businesses. Bitrix24 positions itself as an all-in-one solution for teams looking to streamline workflows and centralize operations. From the moment you log in, the dashboard is clean and packed with features, yet intuitive enough for first-time users. Navigation is straightforward, and there are clear categories like CRM tasks and projects, which allow you to dive into specific functionalities without feeling overwhelmed. The CRM module is one of the platform's strongest components. It allows you to track customer interactions, manage sales pipelines, and create detailed client profiles. The drag-and-drop interface for managing leads and opportunities is particularly user-friendly, making it easy for teams to visualize their sales process. Another standout feature is the integration of communication tools, such as built-in chat and video calls, directly into the platform, helping teams stay connected without relying on external software. For project management, Bitrix24 provides Gantt charts, Kanban boards, and task tracking to ensure projects are completed on time. The ability to assign tasks to specific team members and track progress in real time is invaluable for managers. Additionally, there's a time tracking feature that allows users to monitor how much time is spent on individual tasks or projects. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources that can help with business software and CRM comparisons. Make sure to check those out after watching the video. Bitrix24 also excels in customization. From personalized dashboards to tailored workflows, the platform can be adapted to fit your team's specific needs. There's also an option to add third-party integrations, such as email marketing tools or e-commerce platforms, to further enhance its capabilities. However, some integrations may require a bit of technical know-how to set up. The free version of Bitrix24 is surprisingly robust, offering basic CRM functionalities, task management, and communication tools. For businesses with more complex needs, the paid plans unlock advanced features like automation, advanced reporting, and increased storage space. One downside to Bitrix24 is that the sheer number of features can feel overwhelming at first, especially for small teams or individuals. While the interface is intuitive, there is a learning curve to fully utilize everything the platform offers. Another potential drawback is that customer support can be slow for users on the free plan, so upgrading to a paid version might be worth considering if you value quick assistance. Overall, Bitrix24 is a solid choice for businesses looking for an all-in-one solution to manage their operations. Its combination of CRM tools, collaboration features, and project management capabilities makes it a versatile platform for teams of all sizes. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and insights on business software. Your support helps me create more valuable content for you. Thanks for watching.